middle.
All right, here we go.
Hi. We're going fishing at the Rigolets in Mississippi.
We're not
Slide
Mississippi.
We're
Still Louisiana.
But it's packed. It's real packed here. It's kind of like it's 5:30. We'll probably get out there 5:55.
All right, you heard the boys right. It's 5:30 in the morning. We just got to the Rigolets, Louisiana.
We left.
We can't even pull into the driveway. There are so many boats trying to get in here. So
we woke up at 4.
So we made good time, but still we're waiting.
You woke up I woke up at 3:45.
Oh wait.
And you had to pick me up.
I woke up at 3.
All right, yeah, there you go.
I woke up at 3.
All right, what else you want to tell them?
They argue too much.
And we're about to catch all the fish there is.
All the fish. I looked on the website that said Wrigley's catching tons, November 2020. See what we can do. What website did you look on, Ryder? Wikipedia.
Oh my, that's the worst thing you could look on.
I'm joking.
But for real, there's people saying that Lake Pontchartrain, they're catching stuff there. There's people catching stuff, like everything's running right now.
You never catch anything in Lake Pontchartrain. Morning Monster.
Yeah, morning monster.
What are you talking about? You never catch anything in Lake Pontchartrain.
No, dude, I got a big redfish one time, and then I threw it back.
Coffee. It's got hot coffee. So did Ryan. Ryan got the big cup because he's like a big boy.
Imagine having, and they have child lock doors.
No, because my uncle has a little baby, and he put the child locks on. Yeah, good job, Rhett. Wow, Rhett, you're so rude. I'm doing. Rhett spilled his bond. Hey Ryan, we gotta hear Justin John look behind us.
5.
That's crazy. This is 5:30 in the morning.
Go ahead.
Me and Ryan just doubled up, and Ryan's has someone else's bait in its mouth.
Yep. So this here is my kale hook, and somebody else's looks like Matrix minnow.
And then this is mine. Yeah. Ryan unhooked it because I gotta keep fishing.
We're doing all right out here.
This is my third fish. Me and Ryan doubled up. I got a sheephead. He had a speckled trout. We have, I believe, 4 speckled trout in the boat. I know we have 2 catfish. Yeah, so we're doing really good up at the Wrigley's by the bridge. So here, I'll come show y'all what we got. Oh, we have 2 sheepheads. That's what I meant. So speckled, 2 sheepheads, more speckled down there, 1 catfish, and more catfish. And we're still fishing. So Ryan, let's update him.
Wait, hang on, I'm texting Remy.
We have 6 and 3 that... Why didn't Remy come out? He should have.
You had to watch the baby.
Riley is netting
Quick, I
him.
barely have him hooked.
Rhett has...
Did
Riley net it? Yes, he did. More sheephead. Let's go.
What are you doing?
I'm like caught on the filter. Oh, I'm good.
Right on.
Nice.
Alright.
Alright, so the people behind us have been catching stuff, but they've been throwing back. They caught 3 good eating-sized redfish. Didn't measure them, didn't do anything. Just caught it. Both of my treble hooks stuck in it. Yes, sir. We're gonna teach y'all how to fillet fish.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick fish cutting tutorial.
Watch out, Ryder.
I don't typically cut speckled trout with a electric knife, but we can't find a good fillet knife, so we're just doing what we have. You're gonna make a cut right past his gill, behind his fin here. Speckled trout are very easy to fillet. This little air bladder sometimes gets in the way, just push it out the way. Turn your knife sideways, go down his body. I've got my knife on a slight angle toward the downward angle into the fish, making sure I get all the meat. Trying not to get any of the backbone. When I get to the tail, I like to flop it over, and that gives me something to be able to get this meat off of here nice and smooth.
Still on an angle.
That's right. Kind of on a downward angle as we skin this thing down. Then we're just going to take out the little rib bones here. And that is a good looking speck fillet.
Nice.
Here's a much more difficult fish. So a lot of people throw back sheephead because they're a pain in the butt to clean. This is the easiest way that I know how to clean them. You're gonna insert your knife behind his dorsal fin here and run it down. I'm wearing a, not chainmail, but it is a cut-proof knife, glove. So I would definitely recommend that if you're filleting a lot of fish. Alright. So we've cut into this big guy. We can start peeling it back. Now what I'm going to do, you find his booty hole here, and you're going to make a cut through here, but right above his backbone, and go all the way down. Here. Now, if you can see in here, back it up a little bit, bro. Not too close. All right. Now what we're gonna do, make sure we get that head meat. So we're going on this angle here as we cut through.
That's basically the same thing with the trout, the angle.
Yep. And now,
You see all the scales.
all right. So we're gonna try and avoid his rib cage completely. This is all guts, and I think that's what messes a lot of people up. So now, as you can see,
same thing. Flip it over.
it's a good looking fillet. So we didn't really lose any meat. Maybe this tiny little chunk right here. I think there's a rib in there. But anyway, that's ribs right there. So there's guts and belly and stuff like that in there. We don't want that anyway. And take it right off.
And that is a nice fillet.
How'd I finish it?
Good looking sheephead fillet.
Here, hold it up.
See.
That's a nice fillet right there.
Kind of messed up, right?
Half a sheephead.
It got you.
That's just half a fillet.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me.